New tourism minister discusses plan to increase the sector's contribution to India's GDP from 8% to 14% by 2030.
पिछले वर्षों में ही स्वदेश दर्शन के माध्यम से टूरिस्ट डेस्टिनेशंस पे बेटर टूरिज्म, टूरिस्ट फैसिलिटीज एंड एमिनिटीज डेवलप की जा सकें, इसके ऊपर भी सरकार के प्रयास से काम हुआ था। लेकिन हम अब हॉलिस्टिक टूरिस्ट डेस्टिनेशन डेवलपमेंट पर काम कर सकें, इसके लिए सरकार प्रतिबद्धता से काम करेगी। ये इस विश्वास के साथ में हम सब लोग मिलकर के भारत की बढ़ती हुई अर्थव्यवस्था में एक बड़ा योगदान टूरिज्म का बने, और जिस तरह से टूरिज्म में ग्रोथ का पोटेंशियल है, हम जो 8% के अभी स्टेक होल्डर हैं, कंट्रीब्यूटर हैं, इसको बढ़ा करके हम 14% तक किस तरह से लेकर के जाएं बाय 2030, ये भारत सरकार का भी कमिटमेंट है।
In July, domestic air passenger traffic experienced a 9% year-on-year increase, reaching approximately 13.14 million passengers. This growth highlights the robust recovery and increasing demands in the aviation sector. Intercontinental Hotel Group outlines extensive growth plans.
At the moment, we have about 60 plus hotels under construction in some shape or form. So we expect to grow that, and then the development team is very active. We expect that we will double to almost, I think we'll double by the year 2027. And we should probably be able to triple, which is pipeline and open hotels, by the year 2030. There are 3 other brands which we are very aggressively looking at, which would be Regent, Vignette Collection, and our Kimpton, because I think those will be very well suited for the market. And I think, but it has to be with the right partner and the right location and the right property.
Thai experiences a membership surge amid tourism boom.
We have approximately 2,700 members, and a lot of them we had to remove during COVID time, or they left because a lot of them actually got out of business also, because COVID time was very detrimental and they were very demotivated. Now I see a lot of them coming back. And I see a lot of new young ones coming back also, because they've suddenly realized that tourism is very important. A lot of skilling people are coming forward to say we want to skill in tourism because we see a huge opportunity. The opportunity is seen because there's a rise in business. Recently, we've been invited by Bihar to open a chapter there. I've also been invited by Odisha to come and open a chapter there. And not only by the members, but also by the government.